Hi everyone, today I'm gonna draw Gary from Spongebob Squarepants. If you guys are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. I'm gonna start with drawing his eyes first. So I'm gonna draw a circle, try to make it as perfect as possible, and then another circle inside of that circle just now, and then another circle right in between, and then on the right corner up above of that black circle, I'm gonna draw another small circle like that. I'm gonna repeat that for the right eye. Okay, then right below the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards like that, and then another one slightly to the right, a slight curved line downwards like that, and the same goes to the right eye. I'm gonna draw a line downwards, but this time we're gonna do this line slightly to the left towards the middle of the base of the eye like that, and from the base of the left eye I'm gonna extend that line a bit downwards like that, just slightly, and then from slightly above that point I'm gonna draw a line across towards the bottom of the right eye, a curved line like that. And now I'm gonna make him smile, so from this point over here I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards, and then a semicircle, a curved line, and then a semicircle downwards and to the left. I'm gonna draw another one, a semicircle on this side towards outwards and inwards, and then inside of this point over here I'm gonna draw the mouth. So I'm gonna start with at this point and make a curve across like that. Then I'm gonna do a semicircle at the end of it like that. Same goes to this corner of the mouth. Then I'm gonna connect those two curve with a curved line across. Okay, then for the teeth we're gonna draw a few lines. Starting for the middle part, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then another line here, and then another line here. The same goes to this side like that. And at this side over here below the mouth on the right side I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and then I'm gonna draw a curve outwards and then go down. Okay, and right behind his left mouth over here I'm gonna draw his shell. So I'm gonna draw a curved line like that, and then I'm gonna draw another curved line, this time a bit longer to the back like that. And then I'm gonna twist that and make a semicircle inwards like that. And then from that point, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards. This time longer as well, like that. And then I'm gonna take that point and make another semicircle towards the eye. Let me just redo that. Semicircle towards the eye in front. That should do. And at this point, I'm gonna continue the curved line that we just do, but at this point and towards downwards like that. And then slightly inside of the shell, I'm going to start at this point, going downward to the right like that, and curve it to the mouth. Right? Now from the back point over here, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left and then twist it inwards with a semicircle. And then now I'm gonna join the front part and the back part here and here with a wavy line. Get ready. I'm gonna start from the back. A series of wavy line all the way to the front. Okay. Now I'm going to do some patterns on the shell. So I'm going to start at the middle point here and draw a small curved line like that. Then I'm going to draw curved line upwards, longer one this time, and then I'm gonna go to the back, another curved line like that, and twist it in and stop there. From this point, I'm gonna draw in the opposite direction. Just now we're gonna make this, gonna trace that line, but we're gonna make it a thick shape here like that. I'm gonna follow that line and go downwards. Okay, now I'm gonna draw some circles surrounding that shape that we just made on the upper parts. I'm gonna start at the back here. Circle number 1. It's more of an oval shape, and a bigger one after that. Then the center one, I'm gonna do a bigger one across like that, and then the fourth one, medium size, and the smallest one here. And that's it for Gary from Spongebob. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Oh, before that, make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.